In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to WordPress. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable way to link your Shopify store with your WordPress site using a trusted app from the Shopify App Store. Before we start, make sure you're signed into your Shopify admin with the right permissions and that your WordPress site is ready. If you use WooCommerce on WordPress, this method is designed to work smoothly with it. Begin in your Shopify admin dashboard on the home screen. From the left-hand menu, look for Apps. This is where you manage what's installed on your store and where you'll add the connector that ties Shopify to WordPress. Click Apps to open the Apps page. On the Apps page, select Shopify App Store. This takes you to the official marketplace, where you can safely find and install integrations that are approved for Shopify. In the App Store search bar, type WordPress. You'll see several results related to connecting or syncing with WordPress. From the results, click the WordPress option to view the relevant integrations. Among the recommended connectors, look for QuickSync for WooCommerce. This app is designed to bridge your Shopify catalog with your WooCommerce-powered WordPress site, allowing your product information to stay aligned and saving you from doing double work. Open the QuickSync for WooCommerce app page to review its description, features, pricing, and user reviews. Make sure it matches your needs, especially around which data it syncs, how often it updates, and any plan requirements. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will prompt you to approve the permissions the app needs to function. Review these carefully so you understand what the app can access and manage in your store. After you click Install, follow the on-screen guidance provided by the app. Because WooCommerce runs inside WordPress, this connector will use WooCommerce as the bridge, so you can keep Shopify and your WordPress site in step. The app typically walks you through confirming your sites and choosing what to sync. Take your time here and double-check product settings like titles, variants, prices, and inventory rules to avoid mismatches. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep product SKUs consistent across platforms to improve matching. Start with a small test sync before doing a full catalog, and note any scheduling options for automatic updates. If anything doesn't appear as expected, revisit the app settings in Shopify and make sure you're logged into the correct WordPress and Shopify accounts. That's it. You started from Shopify Home, opened apps, visited the Shopify App Store, searched for WordPress, selected QuickSync for WooCommerce, and installed it to connect your Shopify store to your WordPress site.